8 Lessons from Surrounded by Idiots, the 4 Types of Human Behavior, and How to Effectively Communicate with Each in Business and in Life, by Thomas Erickson. 1. The book divides people into 4 colors to represent different personality types: red's assertive and goal-oriented, yellow's social and optimistic, green's calm and supportive, and blue's analytical and detail-oriented. Knowing these types helps you understand why people behave the way they do. 2. To communicate effectively, tailor your approach to match the personality type you're dealing with. For example, be direct and concise with reds, while taking a more friendly and enthusiastic approach with yellows. 3. Understanding your own personality type helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses. This self-awareness enables you to improve your interactions with others and understand how you might be perceived. 4. By recognizing the different ways people handle conflict, you can approach disagreements more strategically. For example, greens avoid conflict and need reassurance, while reds confront issues head-on and appreciate straightforwardness. 5. Knowing the personality types of your team members can help you assign tasks that play to their strengths. This fosters a more harmonious and productive work environment. 6. These personality insights aren't just for the workplace, they apply to personal relationships too. Understanding your partner's or friend's personality type can improve communication and reduce misunderstandings. 7. Tailoring your persuasive techniques to match the personality of your audience can make your arguments more compelling. For instance, provide detailed data to blues and share inspiring stories with yellows. 8. Recognizing and appreciating the differences in personalities helps build mutual respect. Everyone has unique strengths and perspectives that can contribute to a more balanced and effective team or relationship.